They say he wandered very far, over land and sea. A little shy and sad of eye, but very wise was he.
The Moulin Rouge, a nightclub, a dance hall and a bordello ruled by Zidler. Kingdom of nighttime pleasures where the rich play with the young and beautiful creatures of the night. The most beautiful of all these was the woman I loved, Seiden, courtesan. She sold her love to men. They called her the sparkling diamond, and she's the star of the village. This is a story about love. The woman I love is dead.
And then one day, one magic day, he crossed my way. And while we spoke of many things, fools and kings, this he said to me. The greatest thing you'll ever learn is just to love and be loved in return.
I first came to Paris 1 year ago. It was the summer of love, and I knew nothing of the Moulin Rouge, Zidler, or Seiden. The world had been swept up in a bohemian revolution, and I'd come to be a part of it. Musicians, painters, writers, artists. They called themselves the children of the revolution. or Seiden. The Moulin Rouge. Zidler and his infamous girls. They called them his diamond dogs.